Hey there, you've just made a killing on a cryptocurrency trade. You're sitting there, staring at your Newton account, the profits piling up. But then, a pang of doubt hits you. How much is it going to cost to get this money out? Hook, have you ever wondered if withdrawing from Newton is going to eat into your gains? Well, let's dive in and find out. Building context. Newton is a popular cryptocurrency exchange platform offering a wide range of digital assets and trading features. But when it comes to withdrawing your funds, the question on everyone's mind is, what are the fees involved? Addressing common misconceptions. Let's clear up some common misconceptions. Many people assume that withdrawing from a cryptocurrency exchange is free or that the fees are negligible. But that's not always the case. In fact, withdrawal fees can vary significantly depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the network fees associated with the blockchain. Breaking down the fees. There are essentially two main components to withdrawal fees, the exchange fee and the network fee. Exchange fee, this is the fee charged by Newton for processing your withdrawal request. It's typically a fixed amount or a percentage of the withdrawal amount. The exact fee can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing. Network fee. This is a fee paid to the blockchain network on which the cryptocurrency operates. It's essentially a transaction fee that covers the computational resources required to verify and process your withdrawal. Network fees can fluctuate depending on network congestion and other factors. Factors affecting withdrawal fees. Several factors can influence the withdrawal fees you'll pay. Cryptocurrency. Different cryptocurrencies have different network fees. Some cryptocurrencies, like Bitcoin, tend to have higher network fees due to their popularity and the complexity of their blockchain. Withdrawal amount. In some cases, the withdrawal fee may increase with the amount you're withdrawing. However, this can vary depending on the exchange's fee structure. Network congestion. When a blockchain network is experiencing high levels of activity, network fees can rise as more users compete for limited resources. Real-world examples. Let's look at some real-world examples to get a better understanding of withdrawal fees. Bitcoin. When withdrawing Bitcoin from Newton, you'll typically pay an exchange fee and a network fee. The network fee can vary significantly depending on network congestion. During periods of high activity, it can be quite expensive. Ethereum also has network fees, which can be relatively high compared to some other cryptocurrencies. However, the fees can fluctuate depending on the network's usage. Stablecoins. Stablecoins like USDT and USDC often have lower network fees compared to other cryptocurrencies. This is because they are pegged to fiat currencies and typically use faster and more efficient blockchains. Tips for minimizing withdrawal fees. If you're looking to minimize withdrawal fees, here are a few tips. Choose cryptocurrencies with lower fees. Consider withdrawing cryptocurrencies that have lower network fees. Time your withdrawals. If possible, try to withdraw during periods of lower network congestion. This can help reduce network fees. Consolidate withdrawals. If you need to withdraw multiple times, consider consolidating your withdrawals into a single larger transaction to potentially reduce fees. Check Newton's fee schedule. Before withdrawing, review Newton's fee schedule to get a clear understanding of the fees associated with different cryptocurrencies. Conclusion. So, how much does it cost to withdraw from Newton? The answer is, it depends. The fees will vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing, network congestion, and other factors. While it's important to be aware of these fees, they shouldn't deter you from using Newton as a platform for your cryptocurrency trading. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.